Well, the concern on the other side, I beg to mention item number 17, 18, and 19. Here, there were some subsequent developments again yesterday. So we would like to file an additional affidavit. Let's let this matter come up after 7th any date.
You're for a petitioner.
Petitioner, Mr. Kyle appears for
the respondents.
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, may I prefer date, otherwise not inconvenient.
Registry will give you a date.
Ma'am.
Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that as there are certain subsequent developments, you may be allowed to file an additional affidavit, and for which he seeks 2 weeks' time. Praise allowed. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry.
My lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 of today's list, my lordship.
Yeah.
Here, engaged counsel Mr. N. Islam is out of station, my lordship. Actually, recently he suffered brain stroke, my lordship. So, my lord, 2 weeks' time may be granted, my lordship.
Okay, please write down. Mr. N. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be in this post. Stop on a prayer made on his behalf. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship, item number 4, lordship, today we filed additional affidavit. So kindly allow me to bring this additional affidavit in this case,
Item 4.
lordship.
Okay, may you call.
And another prayer is prayer for listing for withdraw, lordship, Monday, lordship, 1 WPC.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 10 of the daily list. That the matter may be adjourned for the day. And for the
Why?
that the engaged counsel R.A. Majumdar is out of the station.
R.A.
R.A. Majumdar.
R.A. Okay. Mr. R.A. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station. Stop on a mention made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for a week. 2 weeks. How long?
Next week's.
Adjourned for a week. Okay. Yes.
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, an adjournment request was circulated with regards to item number 15, your lordship.
15, yes.
Lordship, my senior Mr. K. N. Chaudhary is unfortunately out of station. Therefore, I seek a slight accommodation, your lordship. May the matter come up after 2 weeks? We appear for the respondent number 4, the private respondent.
Have you informed the other side?
Indeed, lordship. We have sought
They
telephonic.
have given
confirmation.
their consent?
We have taken telephonic consent.
Okay. Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, appearing for respondent number 4, is said to be out of station. Stop on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
your lordship.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
All right.
Much obliged.
May it be please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1, lordship. Matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks, lordship.
Why?
My senior is out of station, lordship.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, lordship.
Okay, Mrs. K. Devi is learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station. Stop on a prayer made on her behalf and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, 1 for your lordship.
Yes.
The matter may be passable for the day, your lordship.
Why?
Because my senior counsel is out of station, your
Who?
lordship. M. H. Lashkar.
Okay, Mr. M. H. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station. Stop on a mention made on his behalf. From our matter stands passed over for the day.
Obliged.
May it pleases your lordship. Lordship, I am praying for listing of one writ petition, lordship. It was last listed on 18/3/2025, lordship. Can it be on any date in the next week, lordship?
Which one? You're mentioning for a new item.
Not new item, lordship. It's a pending matter
For what? For admission?
for admission.
When do you want it?
On any date in the next week, lordship.
Next week. Okay, registry will give you a date. You just submit it next week, yes.
Obliged.
My lord, I wish to mention two petition, my lord,
Hmm.
pending matter for admission, and one is for pension, family pension, and one is for provincialization, my lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, any convenient date in the next week, my lord.
When was it last listed?
My lord,
When was it last listed?
notice was issued, my lord, we have taken a step, my lord, returnable date is over. And another case, my lord, we have taken Dusty service also, my lord.
Question is, when was it last listed? On which
Last
date?
listed-
Yes.
My lord, last listed, I will have to find
Yeah.
out. my lord.
It may have been listed last week also, we don't know.
No, last week, not my lord, before 2-3 months ago, my lord. Notice service, my lord, returnable date over, my lord. I have seen, my lord. Next week or, my lord.
You approach the registry, they'll give you a date. All right. Yes.
May I, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21.
Item number?
21, Lordship.
Yes.
With the consent of the other side, matter may be adjourned for the day. The learned
21.
counsel for the petitioner is feeling unwell, Lordship.
Petitioner or applicant?
Applicant.
What is the IA for? What is the IA for? You don't know? You should check up. Court will ask you.
Mr. NJ Gogoi has informed me that he is feeling unwell, Lordship.
Are you there in the case?
No,
Oh,
Lordship.
you're not there in the case?
No.
Okay, Mr. NJ Gogoi, learned counsel for the applicants is said to be indisposed. Stop on a prayer made on his behalf. Matter stands adjourned for a week.
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks, okay, 2 weeks.
Of like-
Daily list item numbers 5 to 8.
Back to the. My lord, in this case, my lord, there is a, my lord, office memorandum, whereby, my lord, the compassionate department under was abolished, my lord. It is, has been challenged, my lord.
There is challenge,
Yes, my lord.
but the matter is over.
Yes, my lord.
There was a bunch of cases which was disposed of earlier, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. So,
All pending cases.
yes, my lord. So, my lord, here, my lord, subsequently also, my lord, this honorable court was pleased to, my lord, give leave to the, my lord, DLC, SLC.
Hmm.
To reconsider the, my lord, matter on merit, my lord. And I have annexed, my lord, similar order also.
What is your case?
Cases, my lord, pending before the, my lord, DLC. And, my lord, in the meantime, this office may.
Somebody died.
Yes, my lord.
You submitted the application for compassionate appointment.
Yes, my lord.
Within time,
Within time, my lord.
was it considered?
No, my lord, this is pending, my lord. Now,
Not considered.
not considered, my lord. Pending before the DLC.
Pending since when?
Since their application, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, this.
Since their application means what? Yesterday or 2000, the year 2000 or the year 1995? Which year?
My lord, applied, my lord, submitted on, my lord, 25/10/2004, my lord.
2004.
Yes, my lord. Lordship kindly.
And you're coming today in 2025.
My lord, page 25, my lord, this honorable court directed to consider, my lord.
Your case.
Yes, my lord.
This is the second round.
Second round, my lord.
What is the name of the petitioner?
Petitioner, my lord, page 25, my lord, Samsona
Samsana Begum.
Begum, my lord. And direction, my lord.
This was the first writ petition.
Yes, my lord. And this is the, my lord, now, my lord, as per this order, they cannot consider because of this, my lord, office memorandum. So therefore, my lord, we are paying leave, my lord, of this honorable court to consider on merit, my lord, like earlier batch of writ petition, my lord.
There were some subsequent order passed.
Yes, my lord.
Where is that?
This similar order, my lord, page 30, my lord.
It's 30.
Yes, my lord. At page 32, my lord, this common judgment was, my lord, quoted.
Then, which is the operative portion?
My lord, page 32, my lord.
32 is the common judgment quoted, but
Yes,
where
sir.
is the operative portion?
My lord, operative portion is, my lord, page 33, my lord.
Hmm.
Paragraph 5, my lord. Learned government advocate Mr. B. Devi submits that as the petitioner had earlier approached this court by way of WBC number so and so, the case of the petitioner was remanded back to the SLC for reconsideration, and further taking into consideration the order dated so and so, the batch of writ petition, the case of the petitioner can now be considered by the SLC in his next immediate sitting. Accordingly, recording the submission made by the learned advocate, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the SLC to reconsider the case of the petitioner in terms of the recommendation made by the district level committee so and so.
Mr. Bhugan,
I am for the department, my lord.
your colleague had mentioned,
My lord.
Mr. B. Deori had said that earlier, so and so had approached this court. So in the light of that, maybe send back for consideration.
My lord,
Similar judgment.
the government advocate should basically address this one. I am for the department, my lord.
Hmm.
So.
Who's the government advocate?
Yeah, my lord, can this matter be taken after some time, my lord? I'll in the meantime inform them.
How many cases are there?
My lord, four, five.
5. They're all similar, on similar lines.
One matter, my lord, there is a no high court order, my lord.
Only one matter, which is that? That will be dismissed. Which one is that?
This is my item number 6.
Yes, call item number 6. Four matters are clubbed together,
Yes, sir.
except,
Can have it on the next week, this set of matters, can have it in the next week, my lord, because I've just been told, my lord, some personal difficulty on the part of the government advocate, my lord. Can it be taken up on any day in the next next week? Maybe Wednesday? 4 matters. Sir.
yesterday I dismissed one case like this.
Only my lord consider poor.
No, no. When was your application submitted?
This matter, my lord, old matter, my lord, I guess.
All matter, that is why it should be dismissed. The principle of immediacy is not there. You waited for 25 years and come with an application for compassion appointment. Not acceptable.
One, my lord, similar judgment I have annexed, my lord, page 27, my lord. In item number 6, my lord. No. Considering all aspects, my lord, DLC may consider. DLC is the, my lord, competent authority to consider, my lord, taking all these aspects, my lord.
No. See, died in harness in 2002. Petitioner became major in 2022 and now he applied.
Exactly.
After 20 years.
20 years.
This cannot happen. You're dismissing it. Heard, Mr. A.M. Bobuya, Learned Counsel.
So, we wanted to approach department, my lord. Because, my lord, is poor person, my lord. We frustrated.
Withdraw to with liberty to oppose the department. Then why did you file this case in the first place?
Yes,
The
exactly.
lordship is not satisfied, my lord.
See, that liberty not required. You can go there.
Yes.
As paid for by Mr. A.M. Bobuya. Matter stands dismissed as with, matter stands
Put down, my lord.
dismissed as withdrawn. Let this case be detached from the other bunch of cases.
Please, maybe close, my lord.
No, withdrawn.
Withdrawn.
Okay, disposal is withdrawn.
My lord.
It's-
Keep level. Matter may come up on Wednesday, my lord. Other matters.
Item 6, dispose of as withdrawn, okay?
My lord.
And
The rest
like
of
I
it-
said, let it be detached from the other bunch of cases.
Other matter.
and
The other
matter-
matters will come next week.
Next week, my lord.
Wednesday, my lord.
We're not giving a date.
My lord.
Kindly, my lord, my lord.
This item 5, 7 and 8. As paid for, let these matters come up again after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Obliged.
Item 9,
But I appear for the finance department in item 6, madam.
Item 6, one more line. Item 6, dismiss as with dispose of as withdrawn. Na? Mr. R. Bor Pujari, Learned Standing Counsel Finance, appears for the respondent number
That's fine.
5.
So,
Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel Elementary Education, appears for respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you got it? Hmm.
item 9,
Last occasion also, petitioner was not present.
petitioner is not present.
What is this matter?
He wants a transfer, my lord. He is a regular teacher of the government. And he wants a transfer at the scheme of the SSA. It cannot be, my lord. It is
None
not-
appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Mr. S. Bora, Learned Counsel, appears for the
That's for now 4.
4th, and Ms. B. Das, Learned Counsel, appears for respondent numbers 1, 2, and
And 5.
1, 2, 3, and 5. Next para, it is seen that when the matter was listed on 30/5/2025, no one had appeared for the petitioner. To stop in view of above, the matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Your lordship, for respondent number 3, respondent DLC, district level committee, there should be government, your lordship, represent. Deeply obliged. Item 11.
Wait, Malad, this is second round of petition matter.
Mm.
Earlier, Malad, the petitioners before lordship approached this honorable court and will find the order at page 30, my lord.
What is the matter regarding?
My lord, these petitioners are working since, my lord, 1995 as assistant teacher in ME schools. Their salaries were not paid. They
What-
approached this honorable court. This honorable court directed the authorities, my lord, to pay the arrear, my lord, as well as the current salaries. What
Where is the order?
that page 30, my lord, relevant portion is at page 34, my lord, paragraph 15.
How many of them? There are 20 of them.
No, my lord, there are 6 petitioners, my lord.
No, in that civil rule.
That is a, my lord, similarly situated person's case, my lord. This is not the case of the petitioners, my lord.
You said second round.
Second, my earlier round is at page 30, my lord. Page 30, 30.
Okay. Page 30. Okay.
My lord.
What was your grievance then in that case?
In that-
Non-payment of area salary.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
But this
direction was given.
Page 15, my lord, page 15, my lord, 34, my lord,
Hmm.
paragraph 15. Paragraph 15.
Yes.
In the result, the petition is allowed.
Hmm.
The impugn order dated 28/1997 passed by the Director of Elementary Education Assam is set aside with a further direction to allow the petitioners to continue in their service. The petitioners have stated on oath that from the date of appointment till date, they are continuing in service without any break. The statements made by the petitioners have not been controverted by the respondent authority by filing counter affidavit. In view of the same, it is needless to say that if the petitioners are working in their respective post and their services have been utilized by the authority as claimed by the petitioners, the authority is duty bound to pay their salaries. It is, if as per statements made on oath by the petitioners, they are found to work continuously without any break, the authority shall pay the arrear as well as the current salary with effect from the date of their respective dates of joining till date. The entire exercise would completed within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. The next page, my lord, was still filed. Page 36, they have passed this order, my lord, pass up to the order, pass the court, my lord.
Hmm.
Last line of the first paragraph, my lord, the petitioners are entitled to get the salary from the date of their joining after issue of this order. Past services, they are not ready to give. And my lord, then the incumbent concerned shall have to submit an undertaking before the DEO Koringos prior to their joining, stating that I will not claim any kind of benefit of the past services.
Where is that?
Well, second paragraph, my lord, page 36, my lord.
Undertaking. Did you submit?
My lord, they have to submit the undertaking, my lord, under compelling circumstances, my lord, do under
Oh.
protest, my lord.
Oh.
Because till that day, my lord, they were not getting any kind of salary.
So you're challenging this?
Yes, my lord.
At this stage, what notice can go?
Notice,
Oh.
this is, my lord.
Heard, Mr. IH Saike, learned counsel for the petitioners who submits that by filing this petition, the petitioners have challenged the order dated 1/9/2014, bracket annexure 4, by which they have been granted salary only from the date of joining pursuant to the said order, without any area salary, which was directed by this court by order dated
4/10/2012,
4/10/2012.
passed in WPC
Uh,
3783/2010.
in WPC number 3783 of 2010, which was a writ petition. No, which was, which is the earlier writ petition filed by the petitioners. Stop. The learned counsel submits that in terms of the said order dated 1/9/2014, the petitioners have been forced to submit an undertaking under duress. Next para, in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr.
P.N. Sharma.
P.N.
P.N.
Sharma.
Sharma.
P.N. Sharma,
For respond number 1, 3, and 4, Lordship.
Learned Standing Council,
Elementary education.
Elementary Education Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers
1, 3, and 4.
1, 3, and 4. While
For 2, my lord.
Mr. Arbor Pujari, Learned Standing Council Finance, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 2. Full stop. Notice is therefore complete. Petitioner shall furnish requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned councils appearing today within 2 days. This the matter again after 4 weeks.
Item 12.
Learned counsel, Mr. A.R. Bhula is on leg in the other pool. Madam, may I kindly text it, but after some time. After some time, may take.
Customer. You have to speak loudly. I can hardly hear you.
Here in your lordship, here will appear your lordship. I think he is in book number 3.
Ah,
So for some time your lordship can it be taken.
okay. How is there?
I'm sorry, my lord.
Mr. Boya, you still appear to be very fit.
My lord,
You can run around here and there.
but, after this surgery, my lord, recovering, my lord, still not fully recovered.
What is this case?
My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, selection and, my lord, appointment in the post of headmasters in upper primary schools, my lord. My lord has already taken up one issue, my lord, in a similar nature, WPC 3685 of 2025, my lord. Dada. My lord, here is a case.
Yes.
Lord, here is a case wherein the petitioners were initially appointed as a Milord, were working as an assistant teachers in the Milord lower primary schools, Milord. Now, Milord, subsequently, as per the policy of the government, these categories of school has been upgraded and amalgamated, Milord, with the upper primary schools. Now, my lord, just for a moment, I beg to draw my lordship's kind attention, Milord, to page 33, annexure 1, Milord.
33.
Page 33, annexure 1, Milord.
There's something wrong. Okay.
My lord, this is an order.
One thing I find, Mr. Boya, your pagination synopsis itself is page 38.
Oh, my lord, sorry, my lord, actually in compute. From petition 1, I am referring, my lord, page number 1.
Annexure 1.
Yes, yes, my lord, it is at page 33, my lord.
Handwritten pagination.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Pagination by hand.
Yes, yes, my lord. This is an order, my lord, in pursuance of the government approval, white so and so, and based on the proposal submitted by the District Elementary Education Officer Gwalpara, white letter number, the following lower primary school notified as the base school under the Gwalpara district of the recognized upper primary schools from where the post of teachers were provincialized as state law as per the Act of 2017 proposed by the District Elementary Education Officer concerned are hereby upgraded to upper primary school and the corresponding recognized upper primary schools are declared as closed with immediate effect. The closed schools are hereby not allowed to impart the formal education to the student henceforth as recognized under the primary schools. Consequent to this order, my lord, our schools wherein, my lord, we have been provincialized initially as a base school
had been, my lord, upgraded to upper primary schools, my lord. This is the purport of the letter, and a list of schools of the Goalpara district had been notified, wherein, my lord, the present petitioners are also working in the various school of this list. Now, my lord, the government has also initiated a process, my lord, for the purpose of, my lord, filling up of the post of headmasters in these categories of upper primary, in these categories of the lower primary schools, my lord, and in that, my lord, they have initiated a standard operating procedure, my lord, is at Annexure 5, page 41, by which, my lord, we are agreed. My lord, may kindly turn to page 41, my lord.
This SOP is for what purpose?
SOP, my lord, may kindly peruse the Director of Elementary Education Assam in the process of upgrading the senior most assistant teacher to the post of head teachers in the lower primary school of the district elementary education officer has submitted relevant teacher detail for their respective district. Based on this submission, the Director of Elementary Education Assam has initiated the upgradation process. However, during verification, certain complications have arisen that require a clear guideline for the smooth implementation. This standard operating procedure has been developed to resolve these issues and streamline the process. My lord, this is a SOP for the purpose of how the post of headmasters in lower primary schools, my lord, are going to be filled up. Now, my lord, though the school has been upgraded, but the position of the present petitioners, my lord, has not yet been elevated or upgraded in any manner, my lord. We are still in the category of assistant teachers of, my lord, in the lower primary school. So therefore, now, my lord, we are entitled to be, my lord, promoted or appointed as an headmasters of these categories of schools. Now, my lord, from that, due to this standard operating procedures, my lord, the various provision which has been made, my lord, may kindly peruse the seniority calculation, how it is required to be done. The school-wise seniority of the teachers will be considered for upgradation to the post of head teachers. Now, my lord, as we have not been, my lord, upgraded or our position has not been changed. So therefore, the teachers who has been considered for the purpose of, my lord, consideration to the post of headmasters, we do not fall within that category, my lord. So therefore, neither in the gradation list or nor in the process, my lord, we have been included, my lord. That is our basic grievance, my lord. And my lord, at Annexure 7, page 45 is also an important document, my lord. Submission of the district-wise gradation list of assistant teacher for promotion to the post of headmasters in upper primary schools. Herein also, my lord, we do not found.
Why have you been kept aside from the purview of promotion?
Because, my lord, we have not been, our position from the post of assistant teachers in the lower primary schools, my lord, has not been upgraded. Neither in the category of pay structure or nor in our position, my lord, we have not been encadered under the cadre of the upper primary recruitment, upper primary service rules, my lord. That is the difficulty, my lord. Though our school has been, my lord, by way of the order at Annexure 1 has been upgraded.
Do you have the right to be upgraded to
Yes,
that?
yes, my lord, because we have the qualification as the school has no more in existence, my lord. So automatically government should come up with an order upgrading our position that they are not doing. Now, my lord, as particular section of the teachers, my lord, who are also equally situated at par, we have been make two different classes from the same class of people, my lord. That's why, my lord, we have made a representation also before the authorities, my lord. My lord, maybe kindly have a look at the.
Where is that?
Yes, yes, my lord, the representation is at. My lord, may kindly turn to page 36, my lord. Our association has made this representation, my lord. 36 and 37. No. And, my lord, the last representation is at page 49, my lord.
Please read the representation.
Page 49.
I still have not understood your case properly.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, if I cannot make my lordship
I think you read that representation,
Yes,
it'll be
yes,
clear.
prayer for providing the benefit of promotion to the post of headmasters.
Yes.
I, the undersigned, beg to state that a large number of lower primary school with the state of Assam have been upgraded as the upper primary schools, and resultantly the recognized upper primary school have been closed, wherefrom the services of teachers have been provincialized as tutors. Although the lower primary schools have been upgraded as the upper primary schools, but the post of assistant teachers of the erstwhile lower primary schools have not been upgraded, though they have been teaching in the students of the upper primary level. In the meantime, a process of promotion to the post of headmasters for the upper primary school has been taken up, but surprisingly, the teachers of upgraded upper primary school have been kept aside from the purview of promotion to the post of headmasters of the upper primary schools, although they are eligible to get promotion to the said post. It is therefore prayed that your honor would be pleased to take necessary steps for providing the benefit of promotion to the post of headmasters of the lower primary schools oblique upper primary school to the assistant teachers of the upper graded upper primary school, and also would be pleased to provide all service benefit of the teachers as entitled by the teachers of MES, MEM, MV, etc. to the teachers of the recently upgraded upper primary school for the ends of justice. My lord, what has happened, my lord, when the upper primary school by the annexure 1 has been upgraded, my lord, with those, my lord, upper primary schools which has been earmarked as a base school for the purpose of provincialization, those upgraded lower primary school with the upper primary school and original upper primary school had been closed down, my lord. Now, we as a teachers or the employees of the original lower primary school, though have been upgraded, my lord, by nomenclatures as an upper primary schools, but we have not been treated at par with the original teachers who were working with the upper primary school, with whom we have been merged or amalgamated, or the nomenclatures have been changed. Now, as a result, although our nomenclature has been changed, but our position, is remained the same. The government has not taken up any action for the purpose of our the individual upgradation of the employees. That's why now we are out from the purview of the selection to the post of headmasters in upper primary school, as well as other service benefits also. That is our grievance.
This upgradation has taken place by this notification.
By this notification.
And this is in respect of Golpara.
And the petitioners are also, it is an state-wise exercise has been carried out, but the district-wise notification has been made.
All the lower primary schools have been upgraded,
Yes,
or
yes, my lord.
barring a few.
Yes, no, my lord. Those who fall within the category of upgradation, my lord, that has been made, my lord, as per my instruction.
As on today, is there any lower primary school?
Yes,
There is.
other lower primary schools are also there. Those
Then
who is not.
why only few of them have been upgraded?
Few of them, my lord,
What is the reason behind?
Because, my lord, these some of the schools, when my lord provincialized, the base school has been identified as the upper primary school with whom this my lord, lower primary school has been provincialized and considered.
What do you mean by base school?
Base schools mean under the 2017 Provincialization Act, my lord, when the process of provincialization has been my lord, carried out, the government is required to identify a base school. My lord, certain schools are there in the same campus, like the lower primary school as A and the upper primary school as B, my lord. Now the B has been identified as the base school with whom the school A is going to be provincialized, my lord. In that situation or that scenario, my lord, this order for upgradation and amalgamation has been made subsequently by this notification by closing the school B, my lord.
The lower school has been closed?
No,
It has merged with the higher school?
No, my lord, the lower school is there, but the original base school has been closed as per this notification, which I can understand, my lord.
No, the original base school be what? Upper or lower?
Base school would be upper, my lord.
Upper.
Upper, my lord.
So lower is closed, it becomes upper primary school.
No, my lord, the base school is the lower primary.
Lower primary.
Base school is the lower primary and the upper primary school is coming with the base school, my lord. Now, as
So the base school is closed.
Closed, my lord.
The base school is closed, it merges with the upper primary school.
Milord, the lower school is there, Milord, as a base school is there, but the upper primary school, which has been merged with the base school, that has been closed down by upgrading the position of the base school, Milord.
I see. The upper primary school is closed. It merges with the base school.
Base school,
The
Milord.
base school is the lower.
Base school
Lower
is
primary
lower,
school.
but the position become the base school of the lower has become the, after the merger, it become as a upper primary school, Milord.
So these schools are identified who are in the close
Exactly,
vicinity,
exactly. These are the under.
nearby
within-
schools within the same campus.
Exactly, within the same policy, within the Shiksha Kshetra.
Base
scheme.
means the lowest, isn't it?
Base
The
mile.
base school.
Milo.
It- The upper primary school merges with the base school.
Base school, Milo.
So it is, upper primary school is done away with.
Milo. This is the language of this notification at.
No, but
Base
what would the school be known as? Upper primary school,
Yes, Milo. Yes, Milo. Upgraded.
upgraded to the upper primary school.
Milo, what has happened, the school A is the.
But
base-
your service has not been upgraded.
No, Milo, that is the problem.
The teachers teaching in the upper primary
No,
school,
we were teaching originally in the lower primary school.
correct? You are a teacher of the lower primary school.
Milo.
There are teachers of the upper primary school.
Milo.
Upper primary schools are getting the benefit of being considered for headmaster.
Exactly, Milo.
Lower primary original teachers are not getting that
Milo.
because your service has not been upgraded.
Milo.
Correct?
Milo.
That is your grievance.
That is our grievance, Milo.
Now, for that purpose, I think you'll have to, the respondents will have to consider that.
Yes, yes.
You
Milo,
have
notice-
given two representations.
Notice may go, Milord, if I can satisfy my lord, Milord, then they can come up with a response also.
When is the promotion going to take place? Selection and
Milord, it is
for
not
the headmaster.
going on, but they, due to an interim order passed by my lordships, Milord, status quo has been directed to
In
be
this
maintained.
case,
In that case, Milord.
this was like that or what? This was the same case, is it?
That is a different one, Milord, state pool and some. Contractual teachers case, Milord, but the grievance which they have raised is also regarding the selection and appointment.
So as on today, notice will do, isn't it?
My lord, and the similar interim order, Milord.
What similar entry model?
Status quo, Milord, as this.
Status quo is what? That is why I asked you, is there any process for promotion
Process was.
going on?
Yes, yes, Milord.
Where is your statement?
Yeah, nine. My lord, as from the various annexures, Milord.
No. Annexures are annexures. You have to make
Milord,
a
at
specific plea
Paragraph 20.
that this process is going on.
Kindly turn to page 26, para 20, Milord. That the action of the respondent have caused grade so and so of the headmasters of the upper primary school, the respondent have already prepared the gradation list and seniority list of so and so, extending the benefit of promotion to the post of so and so. But unfortunately, no such gradation list of the teachers of the newly upgraded upper primary school, including the petitioner, have been prepared for extending the benefit of promotion to the post of headmasters of so and so. Although most of the petitioners have been presently holding the charge of in charge headmasters of the so and so school, as the purported action of the respondents in not providing any opportunity to the petitioner to get promoted to the post of so and so is illegal, discriminatory, and arbitrary, whereby the legitimate and bona fide right of the petitioner have been taken away. As such, the impugn SOP dated and so order dated are completely against the rule of law, and the same are perverse, bad in law, unconstitutional, so and so, whereby the legitimate have been taken away to get promotion to the post of so and so. My lord, this is the issue by which said that they have challenged the by the preparation of the gradation list, the process has been, my lord, initiated and going on, my lord. But as-
No, what kind of gradation list? There are separate
my lord,
gradation
as
lists.
per the recruitment rule under the, my lord, elementary education, my lord, they are required to prepare a gradation list of the teachers who are going to be promoted in the post of headmasters, basing on the seniority cum efficiency.
So who are included in that gradation
Will
list?
be original teachers, my lord, who were, my lord, in the
Upper primary, they're
school,
included.
they have been included.
You are not included.
We are not included, my lord.
Where is that gradation list?
My
Have
lord,
you
that
annexed it?
gradation list we have, huh? We have not annexed, my lord, but it is.
No, according to you, you also should be included in that gradation
Exactly,
list.
exactly,
All of you together.
my lord.
But where is the gradation list?
That is not been, my lord,
Then-
made available, my lord. That is another issue, but it is not admitted that they have prepared the gradation list. We have, that's why we have made this statement, my lord.
See, but the statement which is made here at paragraph 20,
My lord,
the fourth line, respondents have already prepared gradation list cum seniority list
my lord,
of assistant teachers of LPS and UPS.
my lord.
Both.
My lord, both, my lord, both. This lower primary and upper primary, after the, my lord,
Petitioners are LPS,
my lord. LPS
teachers of
but-
LPS.
LPS, but my lord, later on, our school has been, my lord, that amalgamation exercise has been.
School has been amalgamated.
But-
That doesn't mean that you
but we
become
are-
UPS.
The LPS category.
No, school may be amalgamated, but does it mean that you have also become UPS teachers?
No, my lord, what they have done,
How can that be?
they have initiated the process of the promotion of. the-
Supposing there were three schools,
My
high school, middle school, and low primary school.
My lord,
Now, same campus, government thought that no, this should become a comprehensive school.
my lord.
So all these schools have become one school, and
one school.
it has been termed as high school,
That is
so and so
correct.
high school.
My lord,
Now, erstwhile, those who were teaching in the lower primary, by virtue of that
amalgamation.
amalgamation, can they say that I'm a high school teacher now?
Yes, yes, because.
Can he say?
Yes, yes, because, my lord, the amalgamation notification.
No,
of the success.
He's a high school teacher naming that school, but he
Lord.
does not teach in the high school, isn't
High
it?
school, my lord, what has done, the government has come up with a policy of Shiksha Kshetra, my lord. And in that policy, there is a specific clause has been inserted saying that after the amalgamation, all the teachers will be encadered under the secondary level school rules. That means, my lord, those who were working under as a lower primary or upper primary, they will get amalgamated and encadered in the secondary level employment. So if their qualification meets,
If there must be a differentiation in the qualification.
if their qualification meets and with other eligibility condition, then they will only be considered. my lord.
Where is that provision?
Provision is in the rule, my lord, in the rule of 2018 for the secondary.
But you have not quoted any rule here in your representation. It's only basically a grievance. Our school has merged with this, and you have not given us consideration, all that. You should go by the law,
That is
by the
correct.
rule, saying that this rule provides that we are to be considered for on amalgamation.
But there is.
We are
no-
supposed to be encadered
Lord,
in
for
one
the lower
particular
primary-
cadre.
Lower primary schools, my lord, LP schools.
Mm.
What is the problem is there, my lord, till date, there is no any service rule is there. If I am not wrong, my lord, for the purpose of promotion of the headmasters in the lower primary schools, my lord. Therefore, they have come up with the standard operating procedure, my lord.
What is wrong in this SOP?
SOP will
Which
not-
part is, according to you,
Not the-
not giving you any favor? Which case? Which paragraph?
Paragraph, yes, my lord. My lord, here it says that this page 21, para 21 we have stated, my lord.
No, you take the SOP,
Yes, my lord, I am coming, my lord.
you point out from the SOP,
My lord.
which is the offending clause for your case.
No, কোনটো কারণ ground exclude করেছে তোমার
Let notice go only at this stage.
My
Mr. Bhuyan. Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, learned counsel for the petitioners,
ground তোমার
who submits that the school where the petitioners are working,
My lord, only one submission, my lord. What is there in this SOP? Those teachers or those school which has been upgraded to the, my lord, upper primary schools, my lord, those teachers, no provision has been made in this SOP. That's why we are offended, my lord.
okay, no provision.
My lord, no provision, my lord. Para 21, we have stated, my lord.
Mr. Bhuyan submits that the school where the petitions have been working has been upgraded as upper primary school. Stop the petitioners who have already acquired the educational qualifications to be an assistant teacher of upper primary school and also hold the post of headmaster of lower primary school oblique upper primary school have not been given the opportunity to be considered for being appointed as headmaster of the upper primary school. Since no such provision has been incorporated in the standard operating procedure bracket SOP prepared by the Department of School Education on 3/3/2025. Stop. Therefore, the petitioners are not being considered for promotion to the post of headmaster. In lower primary schools or upper primary schools. Next para, in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. B. Kaushik, Learned Standing Counsel.
I'm paying for all the respondents.
Learned Education Department accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Top notice is therefore complete. Stop petitioner to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to Mr. B. Kaushik, Learned Standing Counsel within 2 days. List again.
This matter can be listed along with WPC 3685. Similar.
List the matter along with WP.
May I just submit?
Yes,
3685, my lord.
it's different.
Completely different, my lord. These are the teachers, my lord, who were appointed as contractual in 2012 and stateful. They were given an option for regularization. Those teachers, some of the teachers has opted for regularization and these teachers have not opted for regularization.
Yes.
And they have challenged that order office memorandum.
Okay, we'll not club together. List again after 4 weeks.
Then, my lord, some interim protection. My lord.
What protection can we give you?
The posts are filled up, my lord, by not considering us.
Well, at this stage, let notice go on.
My lord, if the posts are filled up, then petition will become infructuous. My lord.
No. You may come with an application, appropriate application. If something happens, we'll consider and see.
My lord, maybe.
We have not given any material here to give you a stay order.
No, my lord, we are not praying that only an observation that subject to outcome, my lord, if the posts are.
No, well, that may
That is always there.
always there.
But they do not.
It is
follow.
always there. You want to please your client by saying that there is an interim order subject to outcome.
My lord, it is.
It is always there. You know it very well, Mr. Bhuya.
My lord. Nowadays, live streaming is there, my lord. It is very risky also, my lord. My lord. Highly obliged, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
Call it.
Time being item 4.
May I please? Lord? My lord, in this case, my lord, earlier occasion, your lordship asked me, my lord, whether as per earlier order passed by this honorable court, my lord, whether petitioner has submitted the next of kin certificate, my lord. In this regard, my lord, I have submitted, my lord, this additional affidavit with this application whereby.
Okay, what is this matter? Tell me the story.
Story is that, my lord, the father of the petitioner died in harness, my lord.
Yes.
And thereafter, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, directed to consider the case of the petitioner in the next DLC, my lord. Accordingly, this matter is pending before the DLC, my lord. In
Yes.
the meantime, my lord, saying, my lord, this office memorandum has come, my lord. Therefore, petitioner before your lordship is praying for, my lord.
Let us see the next of kin shall be placed before the concerned district level.
Yes, my lord.
And then next of kin.
My lord, lordship, in my additional affidavit, my lord, page 39, my lord.
Oh. What is this?
My lord, this honorable court, my lord, directed as per this order, my lord, to submit the next of kin, my lord. Because it was alleged that, my lord, he did not submit the next of kin certificate, my lord. Therefore, his claim was once not considered. Then he approached before this honorable court, my lord. And this honorable court, my lord, by page 26, annexure 4 of this writ petition, my lord, directed the petitioner, my lord, to submit the next of kin certificate so that that may be considered before the DLC, my lord. And accordingly, by this communication, my lord, page 13, my lord, he submitted the same, my lord. Your lordship, earlier occasion asked me to see this, my lord, communication.
Yes, but what took you what took you so long to submit the next of kin certificate?
Yes, my lord.
Court's order is 6-2.
Yes, my lord.
You submitted before the deputy commissioner on 35
Yes, my lord.
after 3 months. More than 3 months. Why?
Because, my lord, in the meantime, there was no proposal for DLC, my lord.
Or you do not have a next of kin certificate. That's why
Yes, my lord.
you applied for it. It took you more than 3 months, almost 4 months. Yes, Mr. Diori, what is to be done?
Lordship, at page 25, your lordship,
Hmm.
page 25 is the next of kin certificate.
Hmm.
Yes, lordship.
Yes.
So matter relates to 2009, your lordship. Now it seems that the number 3 has applied. And the next of kin, the serial number 3 has applied.
Siamuddin.
Saimuddin. So,
Saimuddin.
so
So,
even the NOC from all those concerned persons, because it cannot be ruled that whether that number 2, Samim Bahar Borbhuya, because it is a matter of harness, your lordship, harness and immediacy. So definitely whether he has applied it or not, whether he is placed in any job or not. So, and more so, if they were in urgency, if they were seeking compassionate appointment. So the very fact that they had applied for the next of kin and obtained it on 2023 do not support their case at all, your lordship. Now no urgency is there.
but what do you say about this order passed at page 27, 28?
Page 27, 28.
Yes, earlier round, court had directed that you submit the next of kin and
Page
matter be placed before the DLC.
So even that is taken into, but that is of 2023, your lordship.
So in terms of this court's order, it was to be placed before the DLC. It was not placed, that's why they are here. What is to be done?
Lordship, what I want to submit is that, your lordship, 2009, they had 11 members, your lordship. If really harness was there, they would have applied and they would have made readily available the documents that were required for, your lordship. Now coming in 2020, in this way or that way, if any order was passed, but since he has approached, if he would not have.
No, that's why I understand,
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Diori.
yes.
So if this court was to consider this independently, then those aspects I would have considered. But now, since there is already one order passed in 2023, put it before
Otherwise,
the.
also he doesn't have that NOC, which is a vital document for
NOC by the other members.
Other members. How we can rule out that any other persons have already been appointed or not?
Where is
How
the
we
procedure
can
of
say?
NOC, my lord? Where is the procedure of NOC, my lord? This is all matter of, my lord, DLC, etc., my lord, nothing, my lord, necessary.
So these are your family members, isn't it?
Yes, your lord.
How many of them?
This is not their case, my lord. Lordship, kindly have a look, my landed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sons and 6 daughters.
Yes, my lord. Lordship, kindly have a look.
So let the district authority make a query whether any of those persons had been employed or not. Then after that, if they find that all.
My lord.
No, but it is a matter of fact, your lordship.
Matter is there.
Matter of
Kindly have a look, my lord.
How many can be appointed?
My lord, DLC will consider. my lord.
Father expires.
Yes.
How many can be appointed? How many sons, how many daughters? Only one.
Consider.
So you have to accept that.
Yes,
If somebody is already appointed, you will not get a chance.
different thing, my lord. It is so, my lord, they have to, my lord, right, my lord, decided or appointed. my
They will
lord.
verify from all these family members.
Yeah, out of context, my lord. This is not the issue, my lord. If there is, that is so, my lord, they have to pass the, my lord, DLC minutes, my lord, that anybody is appointed, that cannot be appointed. my lord. That is already there in the record, my lord. All these formalities are maintained, my lord.
Lordship,
Now to apply, my
my
lord,
brother has to appreciate the
Lordship,
fact
kindly,
that
Lordship, kindly, page 34, my lord. This, my lord, same learned friend, my lord, on that same ground, my lord, another repetition, my lord, said, my lord, on the basis of earlier order already passed by this, and I would consider.
Let us not go into all that.
Yes, my lord, definitely, my lord. because
Please
this is-
accept one thing. Of course, we are not on that point.
Yes, my lord.
But it so happened that you have a large family.
It is.
If
this, my lord.
just let's listen. If for some reason or the other, somebody has already been considered and appointed, you will not be entitled to have another appointment, isn't it?
Not there, my lord. Because, my lord, there are a lot of documents they have submitted, my lord, and my lord, with affidavit, etc. There is already there, my lord. But because of this, my lord, office memorandum, my lord, now, my lord, there is a hurdle, my lord. Only leave of this honorable court is necessary, my lord, to consider, my lord, as per the earlier order. And lordship, kindly, my lord, my learned friend, my lord, in the similar line, my lord, submitted, my lord, page 34. Lordship, kindly will look in the similar order, paragraph 5, my lord. My learned friend, my lord, submitted that, my lord, as this.
We'll pass the order, okay?
Yes.
I've read it, Mr. Counsel.
My-
Don't prolong things. I've read it.
my prayer is only one observation be made amongst the all of the next NOK, next of kin that are there. The DLC.
Yes, at Mr.
yes.
A.M. Borbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B. Diori, learned government advocate for the respondent numbers
I'm for respondent number 2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4, and Mr. B. Kaushik for respondent number 1.
I'll be respondent number 1.
Stop having regard to the nature of the case projected by the petitioner. The writ petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. Stop. When the matter was listed on 26/6/2025, this court wanted to know as to whether the petitioner had filed next of kin certificate in terms of the first writ petition. No, in terms of the order dated 6/2/2023 passed by this court in the first writ petition filed by the instant petitioner, that is WPC number 4439 of 2022. Stop. Person thereto, the petitioner has filed an additional affidavit incorporating the application submitted to the Deputy Commissioner cum Chairman, District Level Committee, Hailakandi, enclosing copy of next of kin certificate amongst others. Stop. It therefore appears that the petitioner has indeed submitted the requisites in terms of the order dated 6/2/2023, passed in WPC number 4439 of 2022. Next paragraph. Brief facts of the case is that the father of the petitioner died in harness on 17/2/2009. And therefore, the petitioner filed an application for appointment on compassionate basis within this specified period. So stop. It is the case of the petitioner that although his application was considered by the DLC, which held its meeting on 5/10/2021. But since he had failed to submit next of kin certificate, he was not recommended for further consideration by the state level committee. Stop, agree. The petitioner filed WPC number 4439 of 2022. Stop, as stated earlier, the said writ petition was disposed of by directing the petitioner to submit next of kin certificate to the concerned authority within a time frame, and thereafter his matter was to be placed before the DLC concerned. Stop, since the same was not done according to the petitioner, he has initiated the instant writ petition. Full stop. Next para, from the above process and from the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, enclosing the forwarding letter by which he had submitted next of kin certificate to the Deputy Commissioner cum Chairman, District Level Committee, Hailakandi. It only appears that the next of kin certificate is with the authority concerned. To stop, therefore, this writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the District Level Committee, Hailakandi, to consider the case of the petitioner in terms of the order dated 6/2/2023, passed in WPC number 4439 of 2022. Stop. Before parting with the records, it is noticed that the next of kin certificate includes as many as 11 members of the family, and therefore the DLC concerned would be at liberty to verify as to whether any of the family members in the said next of kin certificate has been given appointment earlier, and thereafter proceed accordingly.
Lordship, has availed any government job? Not appointment, has availed any government job, because
Availed-
once they enters into a government job, their claim
Okay,
goes.
has availed any government job
Ah.
on the basis of compassionate appointment.
And an undertaking be taken from all of them.
If they are, my lord, if they are.
Because it matters, your lordship. What we have found is that very genuine persons are deprived, but already 7 family members, 6 persons are employed. The last one also gets. But 8 family members, no one is employed, they doesn't get. It has come through, that's why I have been.
In fact, my lord, this is incumbent upon the district committee to look into the financial
Yes, my lord.
status of the.
It is already there, my lord.
So therefore, this observation, my lord, will help, because if any of the members have already, they are employed somewhere and they have the income status.
It is there, my
then
lord.
the question of harness will not. Sir.
Let them examine.
Oblige,
Will not say
It is
anything.
the duty of the.
It will serve, your lordships.
Like
13 for impleadment.
5, 6, madam.
It is the lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this impleadment petition has been filed in terms of direction of this honorable court by order dated 6 June 2025. Whereby Director of Secondary Education is to be implemented as
This one number?
8. On the last occasion, Learned Standing Council for Elementary Education Department submitted that Secondary Education Department is a necessary party in the writ petition. As the court gave us a direction to file.
Yes, any objection? Heard, Mr.
A. Borua.
A. Barua, learned counsel for the applicant who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks impleadment of the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, as respondent number 8 in the writ petition. To stop, he submits that impleadment of the said respondent is necessary for effective adjudication of the matter. Stop, Mr. B. Kaushik, learned standing counsel, Higher Education Department.
Department of School Education.
Sorry, B. Kaushik, learned standing counsel, Education Department, has no objection to the prayer. Stop, next para. In view of above, the application of for impleadment as prayed for is hereby allowed. IS stands disposed of. Then in the main writ petition, you write, in view of the order passed today in IAC number 2187 of 2025, allowing impleadment of the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, as respondent number 8, the petitioner shall submit the amended cost title in 2 sets before the registry of this court, whereafter the registry shall do the needful. I said before the registry of this court, na? Just add one more line. Registry of this court within 3 days. Then continue whereafter so and so. Okay. Next para, issue notice to the respondent number 8. To stop, Mr. B. Kaushik, learned standing counsel, Education Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 8. As such, no formal notice is required. Stop, petitioner shall furnish a copy of the writ petition to Mr. B. Kaushik within 3 working days. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
Highly observed.
Item 20 for orders.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Stop, same was the case when the matter was listed on 26/2025. To stop, in view of above, matter stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item 16 for admission.
Okay.
Lordship,
Yes.
actually, Mr. Bhuya is on leg in the other court.
What to do?
You may take this matter after some time. He will come. He
This is
will
the last
be
matter.
Just come.
Mr. A.R. Bhuya, is it? Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be on legs in a different court. Stop, on a prayer made on his behalf. Let the matter be listed again after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
God bless.
Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel. Learned, okay, Mr. P.K. Bora, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department, appears for the respondent, Elementary Education Department.